back to another video. Today it's just going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you how to change a cabin filter in a Ford Focus. It's quite a windy day today, so I will apologise for the wind noise if it picks up on camera. It might be the curry I had for lunch. So we're going to grab some tools, we'll get outside and we'll get started. So it's a 2013 Ford Focus. It's the 1.3 EcoBoost turbo engine. And just a 3-cylinder. Just done a service on this. Actually, just done a oil filter, air filter, just basic service. So the main thing you have to do, get the mat out of the way, is if we can pull the carpet down. It should be just on a little clip, which it is, like a little spinny. I don't know if you can see this. I'll do it with one hand. There we go. It pulls off. Just a little plastic clip there, that releases the carpet, and it should be in that little panel in there. What does I'm going to get a light actually, because I don't think you can see on this on the camera. So as you can see now, we've got a bit of light on the subject. There's a little plastic cover there, and I'll try and do this with one hand. And we've got a bit of light on the subject. You can see there's a little cover here. It's usually from the factory. There's a screw in here, just a little Phillips screw. Basically, a lot of the time they leave that out because it's easier to actually just squeeze the tabs, and then that should pull off like so, nice and easy. I'll move the light back like that, and it shows the filter. And then this should get my finger in there. This is going to come out nice and steady. It will squeeze a little bit because it's just a corrugated cardboard. And actually this one isn't all that bad. Not too bad at all. So it's obviously been serviced and looked after quite well, this car. As you can see between the veins there. It's not that bad. Right, so let's have a look at the new one. There's the part numbers there. Ford Focus. But they're all pretty much the same on every vehicle, these. Really easy to do. A bit cleaner. This is a little awkward to do upside down with the camera as well, but basically if you can squeeze the top in first and then do the bottom, it slides in really nicely like so, and then you can clip the original cover back on, screw hole there, goes to the bottom. It should, sorry if I'm in the way of the camera, do apologise, but it's all pretty straightforward if you're upside down doing your best contortionist impression. It's really quite an easy job if you can bend it to the right position. So I'll just clip that back on and then we're done. There we go, all back on. So now all I'm going to do now is replace the carpet, attach it to the little yellow clip with a little thing there, and it's job finished. I'll give the car a bit of a clean out now inside, and I'll call this video it. Yes, it's been a very short video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, drop me a comment below. If you ever change your filter on a regular basis, also let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, doesn't cost anything. Like the video as well, because it helps with the algorithm, helps other people find my videos. And I'll hopefully see you in the next one.